Let's graph and find the properties of a circle centered at x equals 13 and y equals 6, with radius 2.
The center is the anchor point of the circle.
The center is at x equals 13, y equals 6.
The radius is the distance from the center to the circle. Step out by the radius, right, left, up, and down. These 4 points sit on the circle. A circle equation uses center shifts on the left, radius squared on the right.
The signs come from subtracting the center coordinates, x minus 13, and y minus 6.
The radius is 2, so the right side is 2 squared, which is 4. Now we derive the related properties from the radius. The diameter is 2 radii across, 2 times 2 equals 4. The circumference is 2 pi r, 2 times 2 equals 4 pi.
The area is pi r squared, pi times 2 squared equals 4 pi.
So this circle is described by its center and radius.